If you're looking for an action camera under $200 that can get the job done and won't break the bank, then you're in luck. We've compiled a list of our favorite cameras that are currently available for under $200 and ranked them accordingly to suit your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. AKASO EK7000 Pro. AKASO EK7000 Pro looks like a normal decent action camera. It is designed as half sleek and half rugged material. The red line circle is placed in the middle of the camera, and together with a waterproof case, the appearance of this action camera is completed. AKASO EK7000 Pro has an Ultra 2-inch IPS touchscreen and wireless remote control from the wrist. The easiest action camera to use so far with its interface. While shooting, previewing, basically everything is controllable on the small screen. On the other hand, wrist control is so practical if you plan to use the camera while cycling, skiing, or surfing. The video quality in AKASO EK7000 Pro is magnificent. Supporting 4K resolution at 25 frames per second and AMP 2.7K 30 frames per second video recording will make everything appear in clarity. Now the 16MP camera for image shooting is also super clear. No worries, the small details are shown in the tiny little action camera, so you won't miss what is going on in the background. A must-have feature in the action camera is electronic image stabilization, which ensures all of your videos and pictures are impressively steady and smooth. The waterproof feature allows you to use AKASO EK7000 Pro under deep water under 131 feet. It will surely be your best buddy in your underwater adventures. It is the best used for sports like swimming, surfing, diving, and snorkeling, where you won't miss this exciting or daring experience. It has the diving mode that waits for you to turn it on. It can make up for the lack of the red light under the water scenes. If you turn on loop recording and upside down, you can use the camera for multifunctional purposes, for example, a professional dash camera. AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K action camera battery life lasts around 90 minutes, which is enough to cover the adventure part of your journey. For the money, it's definitely the best action camera under $200. Number 2. AKASO V50 Pro. AKASO V50 Pro comes in two colors, black and gray, which has nothing more specific about the outer appearance than a usual action camera. The intuitive IPS touchscreen is super responsive and the UI is so easy to use. AKASO V50 Pro shoots stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second speed, so every move you make is going to be smooth and clear in the fast-moving subjects. As a nice point, there is a 720p at 120 frames per second slow motion option, a time-lapse video if you want to speed up your content, and different scene modes for different types of sports. The 20MP camera will keep your images super sharp and in detail. The optional 170-degree wide view angle shots let you adjust the angle how you prefer the video or the picture to look like. This action camera supports a waterproof feature where it lets you catch the perfect shot at 98.4 feet deep in the water. All you have to do is turn the diving mode on, it will filter the red light under the water. There is no need for extra payment to buy a new red filter. The temperature that AKASO V50 Pro works is from 23 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. AKASO V50 Pro features an electronic image stabilization to detect any motion or movement the chosen subject makes. Even if shakes, moves, and tilts, the action camera still creates stable videos. Plus, it also offers an improvement to image distortion calibration. If you want your videos to be a step forward, AKASO V50 Pro supports external microphone use. It will catch any sound from the distance, so your voice can shine through. The external microphone is sold separately. The battery life in AKASO V50 Pro is not very impressive, but it gives a decent hour and a half time of the shooting. 3. Drift Innovation Ghost XL. Drift Innovation Ghost XL coming in matte black or white color options. It is shaped like a rectangle and has a slightly bigger body construction than other cameras, and it's also lightweight. Drift Innovation Ghost XL has a 330 degrees rotatable lens for image adjustment. It allows you to shoot on varied surfaces while making sure it stays stable to the recording frame. The action camera shoots videos and pictures in high resolution. It manages to record 1080p video quality and the images are captured at 30 frames per second speed with 5x optical zoom. Drift Innovation Ghost XL has a 12MP camera and shows a great performance during nighttime and low lighting conditions. It is an ideal camera for sports, biking, hiking, motorcycling, and snowboarding. Did I mention that the Ghost XL is rated IPX7 waterproof? If I didn't, now I'm telling you all. It can be used in the 3.2 feet deep under the water. Every weather type is okay for Ghost XL, whether it is snowing, windy, rainy, or the sun is shining. There is a dash cam mode where the camera keeps shooting while it is charging with a USB power supply. Besides the USB, this camera also owns Wi-Fi with which you can connect it to other devices. Besides that, when using a network, Wi-Fi, you can connect up to 10 cameras at the same time, and this mode on the Drift Innovation Ghost XL camera is called the clone mode. Drift Innovation Ghost XL uses event detection where it starts recording you when any incident happens. The gyro sensor starts working when a car hits yours, and then immediately starts recording. This is great proof to use for insurance. The strong and long-lasting battery life in Drift Innovation Ghost XL lasts about 9 hours in full HD recording. You can vlog what happens throughout the day without limiting yourself to perfect shots. Just because the battery life is super long, it makes this camera ideal for vloggers and social media influencers too. Definitely a great action camera for under $200. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.